Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren, and for today's vlog I'm going to be doing a kind of like work from home day in my life mom vlog because I am working from home today. I don't typically do that, but because Luke, my baby, he's 6 months old, he had a 6-month checkup this morning, so I am blessed in my full-time job that I do have the flexibility to work from home occasionally when I do need to. So him and I are going to be hanging out today, but when I work from home, I don't always do this, but today I just kind of felt like throwing on a little bit of makeup just so I could feel more put together, because that does usually help me feel more productive. So I just want to show you quickly the products that I did use. I just did something really simple, but this is new that I have been liking. This is the e.l.f. Sun Touchable Whoa Glow. So it is like an SPF, but it's also a makeup primer moisturizer. So this, you can see from the packaging too, it's supposed to be a dupe for the Super Gloop Glow Moisturizer. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but yeah, even the packaging like looks just like it. And I've never tried the actual one, but I hear people like this one better, and I have been enjoying it so far. So it's got SPF 30 in it, and I personally like the sunscreen smell of it, and I do feel like it is moisturizing too. And then I just did, my NARS pot concealer to conceal things that I needed to. And then I'm still liking this. This is kind of old now, I guess, but the Wet n Wild Tinted Moisturizer. And what else? I used my Hourglass bronzer. My lip color is Marc Jacobs Cream and Sugar. And what else did I do? Oh, for mascara, I did the Lancome Monsieur Big. And then, please let me know, because this is discontinued. The Peach Perfect Setting Powder is my favorite powder, but I know it's discontinued now. So let me know if there is any good substitutes that you know of for that, because the Sephora VIB sale is coming up soon. So let me know, your favorites, recommendations. I thought about maybe doing a recommendation video, but I don't know, we'll see. But otherwise, so he had his doctor's appointment this morning. It went really well. He's gained 3 pounds since his last appointment, which, of course, as a mom, you're always worried about, which is great because he is still exclusively breastfed, but we did get the okay to start purees with him. So right after the appointment, he needed diapers anyway, so I picked him up some little things of baby food. So I'm not sure if in this vlog or maybe another video we will try that with him, so that'll be fun. But otherwise, I did some work this morning, but I'm gonna do some more work now, and then maybe as a break we will go do a Starbucks run. So let's go get to work.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me, and we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you.
Is it the cutest little coworker? Think you're ready to eat? All right, we'll take a break. Okay, so getting some work done here. Luke got hungry, so I am feeding him now. I will say, other than being home with him, the best part of working from home is definitely not having to pump throughout the day. So love that. But anyway, so once I get some more work done, I think I am going to just run out and get a coffee from Starbucks right down the street, just to get out of the house. It is such a nice day out. I think it's like in the 80s today, so be nice to just be able to get a little change of scenery. So we're going to do that in a little bit. And then I'm hoping, just because when I do work from home, I don't have meetings or anything like that, and it's less distractions. I mean, granted, I am home with him, but usually I'm able to get so much more work done so much faster. So I am hopeful that I will be able to get some cleaning and stuff around the house done before the toddler gets home, but we will see how the day goes. Okay, so we just ran out to Starbucks. This is the drink that I always get. I always get a cold brew with cream and then extra salted cold foam on top. I don't get any syrups in the drink. I just like it, just a little bit of sweetness from the cold foam, but I like that it's like the salted caramel one. But anyway, I did want to just throw out there that I did get this free today with my Fetch rewards points. So if you haven't used Fetch, it's an app. You just scan your receipts and then you can turn them in for gift cards to places like Starbucks, Ulta, Sephora, Amazon, all kinds of things. Like at Christmas time, I was able to get like $30 worth of Amazon gift cards. And then I got a $10 one just recently for Starbucks. Actually just put in for another $10 Starbucks gift card, but the thing is just annoying. It takes 72 hours for them to process, like to actually get the gift card, but whatever. So I will leave my referral code. It's not like anything like anybody gets a referral code on the screen or maybe in the description box down below. So when you sign up and scan your first receipt, and that's all you have to do. It doesn't matter what you buy, where you go, any receipts you can scan and get points, and then specific items you get more. But then when you scan your first receipt, you will get a certain number of points. I think it's like a few thousand, and then I would get points as well. So everybody wins. So I will link that in the description box. So I just got done work for the day. I was able to be pretty quick with it because, like I said before, I didn't have any meetings or distractions, so I just kind of cranked it all out. So right now I have about a half hour before Luke needs to feed, and he is taking a nap in his swing right now. I feel like he is just kind of sleepy today from getting the shots at the doctor, which I kind of anticipated. So I'm gonna try to take advantage of having a little extra time here and get some laundry done and straightened up and kind of maybe start to make a grocery list for the things that I need.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
So I just got a couple loads of laundry put away, but I did want to mention kind of the new laundry system that I'm trying out, because just being a family of 4, and especially a new baby that is constantly spitting up and having blowouts, laundry is just like out of control. I was just becoming super overwhelmed by it. So I actually heard Becca Bristow on YouTube talk about the book, The Home Management, I think it's called, and making a laundry system and kind of like, I guess the book is about like running your house like a business and like having systems put in place. So what I'm trying now is, rather than doing everybody's together and then it just being so overwhelming to separate, I'm having each member of the family have their own basket, and then I have one that is miscellaneous. So I have one for myself, Luke, and Collins, and then Spencer has his own, and then a miscellaneous one in our closet. But it definitely makes it a lot more manageable and seems less overwhelming when you're just doing one load that's going back to the same place, rather than having to divvy out everything and then walking all over the house to different rooms to put everything away. So that seems to be working well. If you have any tips and tricks how to make laundry, keep it from taking over your life as much, please let me know. I would love to know. I would also like to eventually get, like, obviously matching, more aesthetic laundry baskets, but one step at a time here. You say hi?
Hi.
Say hi. All right, so it's the end of the day now. Collins and I, we're gonna read a book. I'm gonna rock her to sleep. So what did we do the rest of the night? We just got picked up from daycare. We had dinner. Mommy got some laundry put away. And then we get ready to go back and do work in daycare tomorrow, right? Yeah? All right, good. Oh, the other thing I did do, I did finally get your video about your Baby Shark birthday party posted. We posted that today. So that is live, and I will link that down below if you guys are interested in that.
Mommy.
Yeah, that's me and you. Alright, so I think that's it for this video. I say thank you so much for watching, right?
It's done.
All done, that's right. Can you say, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, right? Alright, say bye-bye. Good night, see you in the next one. Bye.